Wood. Imported. Contemporary toddler bed is set at preciously the right height. Orbelle toddler bed comes complete with two side safety rails, therefore preventing your child from falling out of the bed while sleeping. Easy to assemble. Comes complete with all necessary tools for easy assembly. Solid wood, contemporary, bed for your toddler. Contemporary toddler bed is set at preciously the right height. The Orbelle toddler bed comes complete with two side safety rails. The Orbelle toddler bed is the perfect transition for toddlers who have outgrown their cribs. Easy to assemble. Top reviews from the United States. A trick for assembly. Very cute when finished. It made transition from a crib to a big boy bed. Very smooth to just be able to move his mattress right over. Many people have said assembly was frustrating. My husband and I ditched the directions and assembled it like this. Attach both the headboard and the footboard to one side, lay it on its side, put in the slats vertically, then put the last side on across the top. Avoids the frustration with keeping all the floating slats in place. I will echo that the center bracket didn't line up well with the pre-drilled holes on the side rails, but we just said we won't get on it ourselves.